Welcome back to this tutorial series on working with the True32 website template. This video tutorial will be about adding or editing our plant tour slideshow. The slideshow is different than the galleries we've been looking at earlier, and you can access it, as we've mentioned in other videos, either by going to your pages, and then I would come in here and find my plant tour and load the BBM builder, or I can just go to the page on the front end and load it here. Now this one still has the pictures. I've deleted the pictures, but they're cached, so they're showing up, but they're not really there when we. But to edit it, we come in here and we click on the wrench, and it says it has 63 photos, but if we go in here and say we want to edit the gallery, they're not there. I've deleted them, but like I say, the cache is keeping those in there. But we're going to add photos, and then we would go to our media library, because I have uploaded them, and you can see the images that I've uploaded from other videos here. But let's scroll down till we see our plant tour start, and I have a lot of images in this plant tour, probably too many. All right, so here we go. So we're looking at, so there's like image 1, and I just scroll down, and I've actually got them in the order that I want them in, or I thought I did, but it doesn't look like these should be at the front, so we'll see how this works. So click on the first or last one. I actually clicked without holding down shift, and then hold down shift. So now I've got everything in between. You add to the gallery, and then update the gallery. And so we had 63, now I have 66, but I suspect if we come back here now, we'll actually see them, and we do. And so now you can slide these around and say, no, I want that one there, and then, you know, get them like you want them in all the right positions. And then once you're done, you update the gallery. You can reverse the order is another option, but I'm not going to slide these into position. It takes a little while, but then you'd say update the gallery. I'll do that offline and save, and now they're out of order, but then you've got this slideshow that will play automatically. So that's how that works. That's it for this video on adding or editing our plant tour slideshow. Next, we will look at adding or editing images and or text on our team page. Thanks for watching.